Lester, and I'm the owner of Advanced Homes, and I would just love to show you how my central vacuum works. So many people don't know how easy it is to use, so I thought I'd demonstrate it to you. So this is what we call the hose, and we just plug it in. And I actually have a special hose that has electricity, and I'll show you how that works later. But I'm going to plug it in real quick, and then we're off to go. All right. For most of my tools, I don't even need the electricity, but this one, like for example, this one, like I said, I'm just doing a big demonstration, so I'm going to use it. This is so great. All you do is turn this little switch, and boom, you're on, and I'm vacuuming. Just like this, the full power of a very strong motor, which is in the garage area. You literally could be done vacuuming in like 3 minutes. We found we vacuum so much more when we use a central vacuum because it's so easy. So the next thing we do is, I think it's great, like my kids take spiders. This is the spider catcher. So you go up here and you get your web. Keep the house free of spiders. It's the easiest little attachment to use and fun. Kids love it when we catch their spiders. All right, this is for the dogs, and as you can see, there's a little bit of hair. This is a special lint brush. Look at this, it's just cleaning this up magically. Boom, all gone. It's a very quiet system. It's not bothering the dogs, and they just are hanging out while we're vacuuming. Couldn't be easier. That's a special lint brush. The next thing is just throw on the little attachment for the windows, and here you go, you're vacuuming your blinds. Those things, they get so dusty and dirty. No more having to wipe them by yourself. Just use your vacuum. Another fun attachment is the small little tiny vacuum. This is used on furniture and in cars, and it cleans like mad. I mean, it is just, the whole is rotating here. It's using the full suction power, and you need to do this on your furniture all the time. It will become so much wider. And then the last thing we have, there's so many more, but this is the most important ones that I'm showing you, is this thing. Just get on your fireplace mantle, zip it clean, just like that. Wherever that's hard to reach with a big wand, you can even slide this little brush off, if I can do it. But why would you slide it off? It's horsehair. It's really great. So, just in those little nooks and crannies. So, and then the next thing is, once I'm done with this room, I can easily pop over into the next room and get onto the carpet and plug this in. There we go. And I'm already vacuuming. I always notice a big difference when I vacuum my carpets with the central vacuum. With a regular vacuum, you still feel the dirt. It's no comparison. And that's what it's all about, guys, getting the dirt out of your house. So this is how it works. I hope you find it easy and fun too. And one more thing. And Chico, Captain. Come here, Captain. This is my dogs, and you just want to see how easy it is to clean your dog with your central vacuum, who are always letting a little hair off in the house. Come here, Captain. Aw, dear little Captain. He's just as scared of noises, but he actually likes it. He doesn't mind. This is a cute little rubber thing, and it's got the air. Hi. You're a good little model. He sheds all these little tiny hairs. But again, it's made for pets. Oh, he wants to do it. He's coming over. So, they love it. It's great. I hope you enjoy this, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.